Hello, hello, hello. This is Deborah Chandler giving you a weather update. Snow forecast here in Atlanta, Georgia, December 9th. This is a Saturday morning, and there's my husband out there. Again, cleaning the street for the neighbors. One neighbor whose truck is stuck there lives in walking distance, so he'll be able to come and get a truck. Because Gary's going to take this snow plow all the way down there to where he lives so that he can drive his truck home. Look at this. Incredible, isn't it? Beautiful, amazing, and yet dangerous all at the same time. Again, there are more branches, more trees. Everything is covered in snow. Everything is covered in snow. Isn't it majestic in a way, and yet it's so beautiful. Reminds me of when I was in Germany, 1969 and 70. We were stationed in Erlangen, Germany, right out of Hamburg, Germany, and we came into the airport of Frankfurt, Germany. And those are the best memories I ever had, me and my brothers, of a child. So that part I love about the snow, and I love the fact I can go into a nice warm house. My husband's already cleaned off the truck. And I'm glad I can go into a nice warm house again. But I'm telling you, there are people out here that can't. Please pray for the homeless. If you don't have snow tires, and you don't have an RV, or a recreational vehicle, stay off the road. Be safe. Cook if you can. Get out all your emergency candles, etc. Because trees covered in snow can fall and break branches. And lights can go out. Again, this is our update. Saturday, December 9th, Atlanta, Georgia. I will try to keep you informed my way. If you like my post, please like it. Godspeed. Praying for you all too.